80% of businesses don't sell because there's been no preparation in actually making the business saleable before they go and put it on the market. The ideal scenario is that the business is prepared for sale at every day, every minute of the business's operation. Sure, you'd put an information memorandum together to show what the blue sky is. What is the business going to look like in the future? What is the business plan? If you've got a business plan ready to go and someone rang up and said, can I buy your business tomorrow? You know as well as I do, your business plan is already sitting there and you're already very clear on where this is going to go. Let me share that with you. So you get them on board and go, this is where we're going. Wow, I'd like to be part of that. That's a pretty easy business to buy. How many businesses out there are actually prepared in that way? Very, very few.